Hi, I'm Mary Jane from the blog Home for the Harvest. Today I will show you how to make these fun little felted Christmas ornaments that have the leftover balls from these. So we made these little wreath ornaments already, but a lot of the packages of beads come with assorted sizes, and this is a nice way to use up some of the extra beads. And it's a nice way to use up any extra felted balls if you've made them or if you've bought them online. I love making these little felted acorns, but I always end up with a bunch that are the wrong sizes. So this is a perfect way to use up kind of all of the extra stuff that you've made for any other Christmas ornaments or just on their own, because they're awesome. I'm boring, so I'm partial to like gray and white, but I'm gonna make one that's green and red today. It's festive. Okay, so yeah, the first thing to do is check out what kind of felt balls you have, and then maybe match them up with some wood. Kind of do what you want here. You are the artiste. Okay, next thing, once you've got your wooden beads and your felt balls, is to get some kind of thread. I have this really thin string. It's really thin and it works. It actually will pull through these, but embroidery floss would work too. The trickiest part, I think, of this whole thing is threading the string through the embroidery needle. So this is like a pretty serious embroidery needle. It just has to go through the felt, and the eye has to fit through the holes in the beads. So measure out a couple feet, again very carefully, because all the balls are gonna hang like this, and then I'll tie up. So basically how you do this is you go up through them and then back. So put the first one on, and if you want to be really careful, I tend to make a mess, so I am going to tie that one on. And then you just thread the rest of the beads. And you push the embroidery needle through the felted ones. You can be really careful and go through the center, or you can kind of put them a little off kilter if you like. It is up to you. This is your craft. Okay, so now they're all on there. And now you just do the same thing. Go straight back down them, but we're going to leave a little bit of a loop, which is how the ornament will hang on the tree. So, yeah, I mean, we can adjust this later, but keep it close. This is always the point where I start to wish I'd cut off more string. All right. Okay. So I'll undo this this tiny little knot that I made. And now we have 5 beads, or 4 or 6 or whatever you like, on a piece of string that goes up through them and back down them. So I think that's probably enough of a hanger to hang them with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie a knot at the bottom. that's it, really. I mean, it's pretty easy. I'll trim off this little bit. You probably didn't even have to do that. Yeah. So that's how to make these felted ornaments. I have lots of other tutorials for making Christmas ornaments on my blog. If you just Google Home for the Harvest Christmas ornaments, you'll find them. And I've got other tutorials here on YouTube, and definitely way too many pins on Pinterest. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy making your own Christmas ornaments, and I wish you a Merry Christmas.